Hola y bienvenidos to the Interactive Task Card Tutorials. In this video we are learning how to sequence items. You may need to sequence text or pictures. To put the words in order, you may need to read a story or listen to a video or audio, or recall something from an earlier card. In this case, we are going to put them in number order, so just like moving objects, we click and drag it to the desired location. If you move it just a little bit at a time, you can always pick it up and move it again. If you put something in the incorrect space, you can move that to its correct location as well. To put the pictures in order, you may sometimes need to move them to the side of the screen to have space to start your answer. In this case, we are practicing time. We are going to start at 10 and move each clock to the desired location. If you ever want to move something back, you can always use the undo function up here. You can do edit undo, or you can command or control Z on your computer screen.